Hey everyone, how you doing? Just want to wish you all a happy new year. Thanks very much for a successful 2017. Had a lot of fun. Hope you've enjoyed watching, and I look forward to 2018. Been a little quiet over Christmas. I was going to do a live show and just kind of relax with the family. So anyway, 2018, we're going to carry on. The next video you'll see will be the Flavora testing, and then after that we'll be doing Delosi Flavora, week in, week out. And actually, I might do a video tomorrow for you because Flavora just sent me a new flavor, which is yam. I've got it right here. Here it is. I opened it up and I don't want to vape it, to tell you the truth. Fuck no. It's if you're unsure what a yam is, it's like a sweet potato. A lot of people say that sweet potatoes are yams, but a yam is very close to a sweet potato, and it smells like sweet potato, and I fucking hate sweet potatoes. But this, I don't know how I can incorporate that into into a recipe, because right now it smells bad. I really don't like it, but we are going to try it. That'll be our next video. Try and get that one out to you tomorrow. I'm sure that will be fun. That'll amuse you. I've got more flavors coming in. I've just had about 20 new flavors come in last week or the week before, and now I've got like another 30-40 coming in. I just went to Bull City Vapors and Bull City Vapors. I always call them that. There is a Bull City Vapors as well. Bull City Flavors. Just put an order in with them yesterday, and got a few that I've been wanting for a while, and a few other ones that I've been wanting to try. And I've got a lot of Wonder flavors coming in, which I don't have anything from them yet, and I thought it was about time I gave them a try. And I'm looking for an elusive flavour for a clone that I'm doing. So hopefully I've got the one that I want, because I've got this. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but anyway, I've got this fruit, and I've got basically every single one of it in every single manufacturer except this one. So and it's the one missing out of this recipe, I hope. So yeah, let's hope that one's there, so we can go ahead and release that. I have been working on several clones at the same time. Some people have sent me in juice to clone. I actually got one. You know what? I got one a few days ago. Actually, I've got a person put a letter in there and asked me to contact them when I got it. It's Cream Factory Crescent Delight. So we will try that one next. Smells like a custard. Smells like it's got Capella's custard in it. And I know I'm very, very sensitive to Capella's custard. I know when it's in something. Yeah, I'd say definitely. I'm pretty sure it's got Capella's custard in it. But anyway, that's one I've got to do. We've got the Cosmic Fog, which I'm still working on, which I've got close to. I got close with the first two tries that I've done, and now it seems like I'm getting further away trying other stuff, but I'm quite happy with what I've got so far on that. And then we've got the Dinner Lady Strawberry Custard, which I'm working on for somebody. I've done several versions. The strawberry in it is not so much unique, but just it's not really prominent, and it's got kind of a funny smell, funny taste to it. I'm not really, for a strawberry custard, I'm not really that impressed with it. It's something that I couldn't vape, not all day anyway. I'll vape it now and again. It's very creamy, it's very nice there, but there's something wrong with the taste. I don't know what it is. And I've got some other clone. Oh, I've still got that Pachamama or Pachumama or whatever it's called. I've still got that one over there, which I've not even made recipe on. I've had it over there for about 3 months, but that's one that I bought. So we'll try that, and I've got one other one downstairs which I got over Christmas, which I'm working on. So yeah, I've been mixing over Christmas. Just because I've not been online, I've been up here mixing nearly every night or every day. Got a lot of new flavors here, steeping over there, and different ones here that I've been messing with. So yeah, still doing what I do, but just not been online as much. Want to say thanks to some people who have been a huge help during 2007. Uh, First of all, the juice manufacturers, the Losi. Thank you so much for what you've done, Sam. If you happen to see this, I'm really really glad that you and I have come together, and I thank you so much for or for the whole line that you sent me. I am slowly going through them and reviewing them, but thanks to the Losi for that. They done the giveaway where I think I put together 4 or 5 recipes, and they supplied everything, the PG, the nicotine, the flavour, and shipped it off for me. Put like a couple of extras in there for me as well. Really good. They really supported me, and I really thank them for that. Big thanks to Flavora for sending me everything that they do, and another big thanks to JFM John. If you're watching, I'm sure you'll see this. Really appreciate the collaborations we've done, and the help that you've given me as well. And you truly are a very good friend, and I appreciate everything. And I hope you have an excellent 2018, which I'm sure you will. You've got a great channel. Also, a big shout out to Liquid Barn. Really appreciate everything you've sent me over. Sent me over the Tastemaker kit to review to start off with, and then since then I've got a whole bunch of flavours down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, I don't know if those ones are in, but anyways, at least 10. So thank you guys for sending those out. I really hope that everything you have sent to everybody has helped yourselves. I believe it has, because I've reviewed the ones you've sent to me. I've not had a bad review on any of them. There was ones I liked a little bit better than others, but there was nothing where I vaped it and thought, oh god, that's not good. They were all good, and some were exceptional. The pina colada is just brilliant, and so's the Baker's Touch. I could go on there and on and on. They're just very good. You got to try them, and a great way to get into DIY. Just if you've not done it yet and you're still on Shopball, go over and try the Tastemaker kits by Liquid Barn. Big thank you for all of those of you that donated during the live shows, those who contributed. Everything did go back in the channel. Trust me, I spent a shitload on flavourings this year, and every single penny you've put towards that has helped. So thank you all for that. Huge thanks for just being here, enjoying the channel, and for your support. It really is. I sometimes stop and think about it. It's quite overwhelming that from when I first started, it was kind of just a bit of a joke kind of thing, just to see if maybe I could help a few people, and it's kind of turned into something different. Thanks to you folks that have sent me juice to clone. This year has been a very good clone year. I would have never considered myself much of a cloner. I'd done Unicorn Milk, Mother's Milk, and a couple of others before, when I first got this channel going, and before the channel. One didn't really hit on much, but since the channel's been going, I think I've just about knocked out everything that's been sent to me. Alright, one of the biggest shout outs is for the people behind the scenes on the DIY Ejuice Mixing Facebook page, which is a spin-off sister page to this channel. There are several moderators and 2 admins, and without them it just wouldn't be possible for me to do it. It just wouldn't be possible for that channel to stay running like it does so effortlessly. So that's Jeremy, David, Mick, Pete, sorry, I've got them all here, make sure I don't forget anybody, Simon, Roxanne, and Katie. Thank you so much for all you do. Again, just selfless, just doing it because they love it and love helping people. So thanks to you folks as well, and I'm really looking forward to carrying on working with you guys. One other thing that was really cool was about 2 weeks ago, I turned up to look at a job, my everyday job, and I'm out on the road. I'm in road construction, and I'm walking along. I speak to a DOT inspector, and then the contractor walks up to speak to me, and he says, "Oh, you're DIY Vapor." And then I looked at his hat, and it said Glen Oldham on there. So for you folks that have been in the live shows, and I'm sure he's commented on the videos before, Glen Oldham, spoke to him many times. Actually met him in person. Just yeah, I guess it's just such a small world, but great guy. Really good to see you, Glenn, and be seeing a lot more of you. But that was really cool to actually meet somebody who has watched the channel and is a fan. So that was great. Okay, folks. Well, that closes out 2017. This is the last video of the year. The next time you see me, it'll be 2018. For most of you watching right now, if you've just seen this just as it uploads, you would have probably already celebrated your new year, because I know we've got a lot of English viewers, and we're 30 minutes away from you folks ringing in the new year. By the time I edit this and upload it, it will be new year for you. Yeah, come back and see me in 2018. It's going to be a great year for DIY. I can't wait to see what comes. It's just going to get bigger and better. So yeah, let's look forward to it, and thanks again for all your support, and let's get into 2018. Looking forward to it. You all take care, folks. Have a very happy new year, and I will see you real soon.